at your own pace, just really control it. Go at your own pace, really control it. When your knees come in, I want you to contract, okay? Keep going, good job. Alright, Ari, I'm coming back to bother you. Let's help these people at home. Keep pushing. You're doing an excellent job. Keep breathing. Keep going. Stay focused, okay? Chest is up. Shoulders down. Shoulders back. Keep pushing. Stay focused. Good job, guys. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Check it out. Doing this exercise again. Watch me. You want to do the same thing. You want to bring your hands up. Knees in. Boom. Tap down. In. Tap down. You can go slow or fast as long as you control it. See, I'm going fast. I'm really working. My upper body moves just a little bit. You don't want to rock too much like this. You don't want to do that. Really control it. Okay? Make sure you focus on the chest. Ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Go. In and out. Woo. Push through. Focus strong. Come on. Go. Power in. Power in. I'm even lift up. So you see my abs working? Boom. Sweating. Pushing through. You got it. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Take that break in it and come right back. Boom. Power. Power. Power abs right here, guys. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Come on, Chris. Come on. I feel it in your face. Come on. 5, 4. You got it. Come on. 3. Stay strong as many as you can. 2. And 1. Release. Good job, brother. Don't leave me hanging. Alright, here we go. Now, next exercise. Next exercise we do here, we're doing over the mountain, okay? You want to start. You want to kind of start center. Then what you want to do is you want to bring your knees to the side right here. You're going to bring your knees in the work the oblique. Come over to the other side. Extend out. In, over to the other side, and come up. You're really going to feel it in your obliques. Okay, so you really want to stay strong. Really take the break when you need to. Don't strain your back. Are we ready? 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Go. In, over, out, tap. In, over, out, tap. In, over, out, tap. Good. In, over, out, tap. Focus. In, over, out. Come on. Keep going, guys. Everybody stay strong. You at home, stay strong. Come on. There you go. Chest out, in, over, out, tap. Now I'm asking you to take a break. I see his fourth starting to falter. Breathe, breathe, come right back in. Don't take too much of a break. There you go. Over the mountain. There you go. Stay strong. Keep the core tight. Focus. I'm here for you. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Alright, now. Here we go. Do another exercise. Alright. Core adduction. Here we go. Core adduction here. Your knees are open. Heels are open. Hands on the floor. What you want to do is bring your knees together. Boom. And tap back out. Knees together and heels together. Boom. And tap back out. Okay? Here we go. 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Go. Boom. You go as fast as you want. Just make sure you have the control. Contract the core here. Keep pushing through. Exhale when the knees come in. There you go. Stay focused. Stay focused. Stay focused. Stay focused. Stay focused. As my knee comes in. Boom. Contract. Boom. Contract. Remember, take a break in the knee. Breathe. Come back in. Come on, guys. 8 seconds left. You can do it. Push, 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 push. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Woo. We're going to go to the next one. It's going to get hard. Here we go. Same thing. Open up. This time, no hands on the floor. You want to have your hands to the floor. Come in and bring it up when you come out. All right? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go to Chris. Go in and out. Come on. Go in and out. Form is good. In. Knees are coming together. Arms to the floor. In. Squeeze. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go. Squeeze. How you feeling, Chris? Tell me I'm going to work hard. Come on. Push. 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 You got it. Here you go. Squeeze. Hands are right here. Contracting. Try to get those knees together every time. Great job. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Alright, here we go. Next exercise. We're going to keep moving through this. Keep moving through. Bicycle runs on the floor. Hands in the same position. Alternating knees. Boom.